function exactly is P equals to 50 minus 3Q. Then the supply function is 10 plus 5Q. Determine the consumer surplus and the producer what? Surplus. So the first thing to calculate is nothing but your equilibrium quantity and price. So you now say that at equilibrium, our demand is comes to supply, isn't it? So our PD equals to PS. So what is PD? PD has been given to be 50 minus what? 3Q equals to our PS is what? 10 plus 5Q. Collect like terms. What do you have? 50 minus 10 equals to 5Q plus 3Q. Okay? Then we have 40 equals to 8Q. Divide both sides by 8. So what do you have? Our Q therefore will be what? 5. So our this is equilibrium what? Quantity. Now you have to substitute from either demand function or the supply function. So let's substitute to find our P. So from now like from PD, what do you have? 550 minus what? 3 what? 5. So what do you have? What's our PD? The demand. That's the price. What do you have? What do you have?
35.
That is 50 minus 15, which is 35. So our P is 35. So therefore our PE is what? 35. Okay? Now, from here, we can calculate our consumer surplus. And what is the formula for consumer surplus? The integration of the demand function, okay, minus the product of
Price.
equilibrium price and the equilibrium quantity. Then here you have your equilibrium quantity and here you have your zero. Now from our consumer surplus therefore is, so what is the integration? You have to integrate our PD. Our PD is 50 minus Q. Now I told you you have to do 3 things now. So what do you have? You will have, oh yeah, integrate this 50. When you integrate this 50, what do you have? Class, quickly. That is what? 50 Q. Yes. Minus. That is 3 over 2. Q what? Q squared. Okay? Then you have your equilibrium quantity. What is the equilibrium quantity? 5 and 0 minus equilibrium price is 35 multiplied by equilibrium quantity. The equilibrium quantity is 5. Okay, class. So let us substitute the equilibrium quantity from here. So our consumer surplus is nothing but 50 into bracket 5. Are you with me? Minus 3 into bracket what? 5 raised to power 2 divided by 2. Okay? So what do you have here? Minus 5 times this. Quickly, what do you have? That is 5. 165. So what do you have here? That is 250 minus 3 times 5 raised to power 2. That is 25. That is 3, that's 75 divided by 2. Okay, minus 165. So what do you have here? 250 divided by 37.5 minus 165. Oh yeah, give me the final figure. And that will give you, yes, 47 point what? 5. So that's our consumer's surplus. Please, do you understand that? Now, for the producer's surplus, you have producer's surplus is PEQE, that is the equilibrium price and the equilibrium quantity. Are you with me, class?
Yes, sir.
Minus the integration of the supply function. The integration of the what, class? Supply function. That is PS. Okay? So we have 35 into bracket 5 minus. Oh yeah, let us integrate the supply function. Then the supply function, where is the supply function? That is 10. So this one will give you 10Q, yes, plus 5 over 2Q squared, class. So what do you have here? We have 165 minus, what is 10Q? 10, our Q is what? This is 5 and 0. So our Q is what? 5 plus 5 all over 2 into bracket 5 raised to power 2. So what do you have? 165 minus 50, then 25 times 5. What do you have? 125 plus 125 divided by 2. So what is my final answer, class? So we have 165 minus 50, 125 divided by 2, that's plus 60, 65, 65 point what?
62.5.
62.5. 62.5, okay? 62.5. Oh yeah, give me the final answer. So our producer surplus is, what do you have? Is what? $177 point what? 5. So that is the producer